Alrighty, we got the radiator installed now. We made a radiator support that's removable. Cut it out all here, welded it all together, and then drilled some holes, welded some nuts. You can kind of see in here the welds. Took the VIN plate off, and yeah. So yeah, we have the radiator mounted in off this little support. Putting the piece of flat bar across was pretty great in letting me have options for bolting it. Because before I was looking at making a little clamp that went over. We had it here, and it was kind of a pain because this rad support area is not a very easy place to have fasteners to bolt things on and off. But yeah, this worked out a lot easier. About $20 in fasteners and nuts because I went with the nice style that has the big old washer on it. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. So next, we'll probably go back to focusing on the interior and see about doing some sort of parking brake. Got a bit of an idea with going with a Jag electric parking brake assembly. I got to check out the wiring for it because if it's just a straight 12 volt hold switch, kind of like a powered window, I might just go with that and put a third power window switch kind of somewhere concealed so you don't put your elbow on it while driving and have some fun. But yeah, it might be an option because I'm not going to be e-brake sliding this car. So having just a push button to pull the cable might be a pretty good way of doing it. But yeah, radiator's in, fans are in. In the last video I mentioned these were RSX fans, but they're actually out of an Integra, which yeah, should be fine. But yeah, they're in there. Car will be cool. It's right in that gap, so there's no room for really the airflow to escape other than through the radiator, which will be great as a air dam to slow this car down because it'll need it because it's going to be fast. But yeah, smell you later.